Hey guys, we have a 2016 Toyota Tundra. Somebody took advantage of it at night and left the truck in 4 bricks. Stole his rims and tires, stock rims. 2016 Tundra. So we end up installing it. He wanted the alarm with the remote start, GPS from the phone app. He can arm and disarm it. You know, when it fires off, he'll get the alert on his phone. So I'll show you guys. One beep is on, locks your doors. 2 beeps is off. I program it so it unlocks all the doors so he doesn't have to hit it once and then again to open the other side. Twice here, we'll remote start the vehicle. Okay. Truck started right up. What happens is if you decide not to go anywhere, you can hit lock. Keeps your doors locked. If you want to unlock them, you can. And what you do is once you get in, you put the key in the ignition. The truck is already started. If you push the brake, that will shut off the system. What you do is you just put the key in the ignition, turn it on the on position. Once you push the foot on the brake, my unit shuts off in the background and the truck stays running. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and that turns off the truck. Of course, when you take out the key. As far as the app goes, to on the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. If you want to do it from the phone, okay, and it will go ahead and report that the doors are locked. To hit unlock, that will turn off the alarm. Okay, it'll tell you the doors are unlocked. Remote started. You hit this little guy over here in the corner. That remote starts the truck, and then to turn off the truck, you hit this little guy here, and that will turn off the truck. The GPS is down here, but for security reasons, they're not going to show the location of the vehicle. And then this is the voltage of the actual battery in the truck. This is the signal of the actual unit inside. Gives you the run time. I just shut it off, by the way, but it will count 30 seconds going backwards. It'll let you know how long the truck has been running. And then of course, when the alarm fires off, you'll get the alert on his phone within 3 seconds. I don't want to fire it off here because I don't want to bother the neighbors around here, but yeah, and then it comes with the shock sensor. If somebody opens any of the doors, it'll fire off. It'll flash your parking lights. Okay, that's pretty much it. This is on a 2016 Toyota Tundra. The car was left in 4 bricks a few weeks back. He just finally got the rims that came in, and he's going to go get them now. But this is the story with this install here. We thank you for watching this video. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.